In this video, we shall learn about the major rivers in India. Well, the major rivers in India can be divided into the Himalayan rivers and the rivers of the Indian plateau. The major Himalayan rivers are River Ganga, River Brahmaputra, and River Indus. These are not just rivers, they are river system. River Ganga is the longest and the most important river of India. It is 2,525 kilometers long and it flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. River Ganga is the most sacred river to Hindus. It is also a lifeline to millions of Indians who live along its course and depend on it for their daily needs. River Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier at Gomukh. The headwaters of Ganga is known as Bhagirathi. It joins River Alaknanda at Devprayag, and from here the river is known as Ganga. Yamuna is the second largest tributary of Ganga. River Yamuna originates at Yamunotri and joins Ganga at Allahabad. It is the longest river in India which does not directly flow into the sea. The rivers joining Ganga from the north are Ramganga, Gomati, Ghagra. Rapti joins Ghagra, Gandak, and Kosi. River Ghagra is the largest tributary of Ganga. The rivers joining Yamuna from the south are Chambal. Now, the tributaries of Chambal are Banas, Parbati, and Kali Sindh. The other tributaries of Yamuna are River Sindh and Betwa. The tributary of Betwa is Dhassan. Then it is Ken and Tons. River Son joins River Ganga. The tributary of River Son are Rihand and Koyal. In West Bengal, River Ganga is joined by Mayurakshi and Damodar. Coming to the next river, River Indus. Well, the Indus River is 3,180 kilometers long and this makes it one of the longest rivers in Asia. The river originates in the western part of Tibet in the vicinity of Mount Kailash and Lake Mansarovar. The river passes through Jammu Kashmir and before joining Arabian Sea, it passes through Pakistan. It is the longest river and the national river of Pakistan. River Satluj is the largest tributary of River Indus. It originates from Rakshasthal Lake in Tibet. This river flows through the states of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and joins River Indus in Pakistan. The tributaries of Indus are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas. And in the northern part, the tributaries are Shyok, Gilgit, and Jhaskar. The next important Himalayan river is the river Brahmaputra. River Brahmaputra is one of the major rivers of Asia which flows through China, India, and Bangladesh. This river is 3,848 kilometers long. River Brahmaputra is also called Sangpo in Tibet. It originates on the Chimangyongdung Glacier located on the northern side of the Himalayas in Burang County of Tibet. When I say county, a county is a geographical region of a country used for administrative or other purpose in certain modern nations. The Brahmaputra enters India in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, where it is called Siang. In Assam, the river is called Brahmaputra. In Bangladesh, the Brahmaputra is joined by the river Teesta, then it is known as Jamuna. Later on, it merges with the lower Ganga called the river Padma. In the final part, the river is called Meghna. Now the main tributaries of Brahmaputra are river Teesta, Dubri, Manas, Subansiri, Lohit, Tibang, Dhanasiri, Kopili and Meghna. River Meghna in the initial stage is known as Barak. River Surma. When it turns south, it is known as Meghna. The important rivers of the Indian plateau are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapi. River Mahanadi originates in Chhattisgarh. It is an important river of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The tributaries of river Mahanadi are Seonath, Hasdev, Mand, Ib, Ong and river Tel. River Godavari is the second longest river in India after the river Ganga. It has its source at Triambakeshwar. The main tributaries of river Godavari are river Pravara, Puma, Wainganga. The tributaries of Wainganga are Penganga and river Vardha. Then it is Manjara and Indravati. River Krishna originates in the Western Ghats near Mahabaleshwar. The main tributaries of Krishna are Bhima, Tungabhadra, Ghatprabha and Malaprabha. Then it is river Pennar, and river Kaveri. The two important westward flowing rivers of India are river Narmada and river Tapi. River Narmada is the longest westward flowing rivers of India. Thank you for watching. In this video, we shall learn about some more important rivers of India. In the southern part of India, the important eastward flowing rivers are river Pennar, river Palar, river Ponnayar, river Kaveri and river Vaigai. River Kaveri is the most important river of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. This river is 765 kilometers long and it originates from Talakaveri, Kodagu in Karnataka. The important tributaries of river Kaveri are Hemavati, Shimsha, Arkavati, Kabini, Bhavani, Noyal and Amravati. In Kerala, the most important river is river Periyar. This river is 244 kilometers long. Coming to the central part of India, we have river Narmada. It is the longest westward flowing river of India. This river is 1312 kilometers long. River Narmada originates from Amarkantak Plateau near Maikal Range. It is the fifth longest river in the Indian subcontinent and the third longest river that entirely flows within India after river Godavari and river Krishna. This river lies between two mountain ranges, that is Vindhya range and the Satpura range. So we can say river Narmada flows through a narrow gorge that is formed between these two mountain ranges. River Narmada is regarded as the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. The important tributaries of river Narmada are Burhaner, Banjar, Sher, Shakhar, Tawa, Kolar and river Orsang. River Tapi is the second longest westward flowing river of India. This river originates from Mahadev Hills near Multai. This river is 724 kilometers long. The important tributaries of river Tapi are Purna, Girna and river Panjra. River Mahi and river Sabarmati are other important rivers of Gujarat. River Mahi originates from Vindhya range. River Luni is an important river of Rajasthan. Both river Sabarmati and river Luni originates from Aravalli range. We have already learned that river Mahanadi is an important river of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The other important rivers of Odisha are river Brahmani and river Baitarni. River Subarnarekha flows through Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. The important westward flowing rivers originating from Western Ghat are river Vaitarna, Ulhas, Savitri and Vashishti from Maharashtra. River Mandovi and river Zuari from Goa. River Shravati from Karnataka and Bharatapuzha is the second most important river in Kerala